Are you in shape? Hello, this is Reinhard von Hennigs. I ran today into this acronym. The acronym created by McKinsey to describe the value of what we seek, what we do right now, how do we recover our inner self. And I found it was worthwhile not only to muse about it, but also to think, should I use SHAPE as the mantra for the next weeks or months to come, or maybe forever? What is SHAPE? S stands for startup mindset. Never lose your startup mindset, ever be ready for changes and challenges. Startup means start ugly, start dirty, but start. H stands for the human at core. You are human, I am human. Keep the humanity in mind. A stands for acceleration. Accelerate digital challenges, accelerate the digital transformation. Go with tech, digital analytics, you name it, acceleration. P is purpose-driven customer playbook. Do you have a purpose-driven customer playbook, which means your customers know what to expect from you and your staff knows how to serve the customer best? Is there a playbook? And E stands for ecosystems, adaptability, and economics. Do you have the right ecosystems available? Do you have the adaptability in your organization to change? So when I ask myself the question, am I in shape? The questioner goes back to you. Are you in shape?